Welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2008 Jaguar XF 2.7 turbo diesel premium luxury 4-door in metallic silver. It has done just 62,000 miles since new and has had 2 previous owners. Features include a full leather interior with heated front seats, satellite navigation, rear parking sensors, Bluetooth and cruise control. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.